will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Telegram X app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications here. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on groups, then come to this list here. So then you just go down here, come here to mentions and replace, click in this sign on this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean groups, mentions and replace notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.